I would share with you my morning apple cider vinegar shot that I do. I did a blog post on this and wanted to share the recipe like in real life. So I'll link that, and if you're watching on YouTube, in a card below, and if you're on any other social media, I'll link the link down below so you can go read the blog post if you have any other questions. And basically what I do, it's got 3 ingredients: apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and I use liquid turmeric. So what I do is I just get a little shot glass, and the reason I do this every morning is because there's a lot of different benefits to it. So on my blog, I wrote about all the different benefits of apple cider vinegar, from just skin, pH, cleaning out toxins. This stuff is awesome. You can use Bragg's, you can use any other brand. I prefer Bragg's. Liquid turmeric is going to be great for fighting any inflammation in the body. It's going to be good for your immune system. There's just a lot of benefits to turmeric. And then lemon juice, same thing. It's got vitamin C. It's going to be good for the immune system. It helps detoxify the body, all that good stuff. So what I do, this is apple cider vinegar as well. I put it in here just so every morning it's just easy to pour. I keep it in the pantry. You don't have to put it in the fridge because I don't like it to be super cold on my teeth. So anyways, I'll just kind of shake it around, and I'll do 2 tablespoons. And this is like first thing in the morning, right after I have brushed my teeth. So if you do this with the bottle, sometimes it'll drip a lot. It's just kind of annoying. And then you shake up the turmeric, tomato. I get this at Costco. I do about a tablespoon of this. Now this is a little sweet, so I don't put like liquid stevia or anything in here. You could, because it's got a kick to it. But I don't. And then I do a little bit of lemon juice. The nice thing about this vinegar is it's low carb, so it helps on the keto diet. The way it's fermented. Then you shoot it. I'll shoot it on camera for you. Just can't laugh. Ready? And I hold my nose when I do it so that I don't have this horrible reaction. I'm already gonna have a reaction like, it's like when you eat Sour Patch Kids and it's like, here goes. So the back of your mouth's gonna burn just a little bit. It's over with. It's going through. First thing in the morning, nice and healthy. What I'll follow this up with is gonna be a glass, like 16-ounce glass of this room temperature distilled water with a slice of lemon. I'll drink that, and then I'll go in and make my bulletproof coffee. If I've worked out for the morning, this is after my workout. I usually just get up and go to the gym and do my pre-workout. You want that? And do my pre-workout if I'm going to the gym, and then all of this is afterwards. So anyways, again, a lot of health benefits. I've got it on the blog. What you doing? That way, if you have any questions or want to see, I'll link it all so that you've got access. But it's just a really easy way to just start your morning out fresh, kind of, gets everything cleared out. And super easy ingredients. I keep the turmeric and the lemon juice in the fridge. And like I said, I keep the apple cider in the pantry. You can keep it in the fridge. I was keeping it in the fridge as well. It was just a little cold on my teeth. And sometimes I'll let it sit while I get the dog food out and get everyone fed, so it warms up a little bit so it's not so cold. If you have sensitive teeth, that's just a personal thing. So anyways, I hope that helped. If you were curious about kind of a nice, quick morning routine to start your morning off right. The other big thing it does is the apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar levels. I think it also helps cholesterol, but I'll link all that below so that you have access to it. Say bye-bye. Daisy says bye.